So I'm currently painting my kitchen cabinets, which are this lovely 70s oak colour. And it's got like these little grooves that's kind of hard to get with the sandpaper. Until I came up with my most ingenious invention ever. I have an old toothbrush, you know, an electric toothbrush. I sellotaped, well, I didn't sellotape, sorry, I glued really poorly some sandpaper to the head of it. I cut the bristles off, obviously, and voila! You can now get right in the corners. And obviously, you can put whatever grit sandpaper you want on there, and you can get right up on in there. It's actually become a really handy tool for this bathroom vanity makeover. So I just thought I'd share it.